Hi there, my name is Dr. Marissa May, and in this video, we're going to be looking at finding the mean, the median, the mode, and the range. Now, I thought we would do this with this neat activity I have found to find these mean, median, mode, range with some Legos here. So let's look at the directions. First, we want to organize the Legos from least to greatest according to the number of studs on each Lego. So that means least to greatest. The one stud's going to go first. Then I've got some two studs. Let's get those in line. Then I've got some six studs. We'll put those in. And then I'm going to do my eight studs. All right. Now we've ordered them from least to greatest. I think this is probably the best way to get started with that. Now, when we calculate the mean, remember, we're going to add up all of the studs. So I've got 1, then I've got 3 and 5 and 7 and 13, 19, 25, 33, and 41. So when I'm doing my mean, I'm really doing 41 divided by how many different Legos I had. So I actually had 9 Legos here. So you'll notice I added up the studs and I'm dividing by the number there. So when we divide 41 by 9, I'm going to get 4.55 repeating, or 4.56. Right? Now, look at 1C. Determine the median by dragging the X, that's this X, on the outside of the Legos until you get to the middle. Well, remember, there's 9 of them. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 would be in the middle, and that Lego has 6. So the median is 6 here. Next, let's find the mode. Now remember, the mode is the number of studs that happens the most often. So I've got 3 Legos that have 2 studs. I've got 3 Legos that have 6 studs. So I'm actually going to have 2 modes here. So my mode is 2 and 6 because 2 and 6 both occur 3 times. All right, now let's look at the range. Now, the range is your biggest number of studs minus your smallest number of studs. So my biggest number of studs happens over here. That's 8. And my smallest is 1. So my range is what I get when I subtract those. That's 7. So my range is 8 minus 1. And let's say 8 being our max minus 1 being our min there. Let's take a look at one more. All right, for this one, let's put the Legos in order, smallest to largest. So I've got a one stud. I've got a few 2 studs. Then I've got some 4 studs. And then I've got some 8 studs to work with. All right, now let's look at the mean. Remember, for the mean, we're going to add up all the studs. So that's 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 13, 17, 21, 25, 33, 41, and 49. Next, how many Legos did we have? We had 12 of them. So our mean actually is 3.42. Next, let's find the median. We'll start by placing our X here till we get to the middle. Now, if there's 12 of them, then we're going to get to the middle between numbers 6 and 7. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7 is here. So 6 and 7 and both have 4 studs, so we know that our median is 4. All right, let's determine the mode next. So the mode is the one that happens the most often. So it looks like I have 4 twos happening, and then I've got 4 studs happening. So we actually have 2 modes here. 2 and 4 are both modes, and that's because 2 and 4 studs occur 4 times each. All right, finally, our range. Remember, that's our biggest one. That's 8 minus our smallest one. That's 1. And we subtract. So we get 7. So our answer here is 8 for our max minus 1 for our min gives us the 7. I hope this helps with your mean and mode here.